Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my sweet and spicy chicken. So let's get started. So I have 2 chicken breasts that I diced into cubes, and half an onion that I diced, 1/3 cup of maple syrup, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 2 tablespoons of garlic, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and a teaspoon of parsley flakes. This is all the ingredients that you'll need. So in my bowl, I'll place all these ingredients in my chicken in this bowl and let it marinate. So in goes the maple syrup. The half an onion, teaspoon of crushed red pepper, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of parsley flake, two tablespoons of minced garlic. There's one. Two. Along with a tablespoon of mustard. So now I'll mix this all together. What I'm going to do now is drop my chicken in. Now I'll mix the chicken with all the ingredients in this bowl. I'll put some plastic wrap on top and let this marinate for half an hour. So on goes the plastic. And I'll let this rest for half hour. So what I'm going to do now is cook up my chicken. I'll place a tablespoon of olive oil in my frying pan and cook up the chicken. And I'll serve this with rice. So I'll eyeball a tablespoon of olive oil. Turn my burner on medium. I'll take the chicken, pour all this chicken into my frying pan. So just keep stirring your chicken around. You want to make sure it's fully cooked. You can see it's starting to thicken up a little bit. So what I'm going to do now is add in 1 cup of chicken broth. I'll mix that in. To this mixture, I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'll mix that in. And this will make the nice sauce over the rice. Or if you prefer to serve this over pasta, I like it over rice. While my chicken is cooking, I'm going to make some rice, so I'll just make it according to the directions on the box. But instead of using water, I'm using chicken broth for my rice. So I have my chicken broth in, now my rice. I'll give it a try. Wow, that's good. Once my rice is done, I'll add the rice to this mixture. This sauce is really good. It's sweet and spicy at the same time. So I'll check on my rice. I'll put my lid on while I'm waiting for my rice. My rice is done, so now I'll turn that burner off. Mix it around. I'll take the lid off the chicken. Now I'll pour the rice into the sauce here. I'll stir the rice in with the chicken. I usually don't do this, but what I'm going to do is add in 2 cups of frozen broccoli florets. And I'll just let that cook in. I'm mixing the broccoli in with the rice and the chicken. I figured just add a little vegetable to the dish. You don't have to. So I put the lid back on and I'll let the broccoli cook into the chicken and rice mixture. Now I'll stir it. So now I'll put a little of this sweet and spicy chicken on my plate. So now I'll give this sweet and spicy chicken a try. That's really good. The chicken is nice and tender. Boy, this is really good. It's sweet and spicy. Deserves a second bite. I've had this with the pasta noodles, but I like it better with the rice. This is really, really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make my sweet and spicy chicken. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.